for the students, and also
Yeah.
and the students already access. So you can start your meeting.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
The participant is just you? Or
Yes, yes, yes.
okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rilo Tizar, as the Dean of Faculty of Teachers Training and Education from the English
Yeah.
department, yeah.
Yeah.
From Unital, Timor Leste. Yeah, this is my
Yes.
pleasure. First of all, thank you very much. Thanks to the God Almighty that already given us His mercy, yeah, and everything. Then we can have here, whether in the online meeting, that I do hope that we can get beneficial knowledge, yeah, after this. Once again, I will share something, and then later on, Mr. Daniels will continue it,
Yes.
yeah, through offline meeting there. I'm so sorry about the inconvenience because of the technical problems, yeah, on the way to the Unital.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah.
share about this, Mr. Rilo, and all of the beloved students. Yeah. Can my
Yes.
screen
Thank you.
be seen?
Yeah. 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 Okay.
Visible? Yeah.
Yes, I have seen already. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So this is my pleasure here. Today we'll have a topic related with designing differentiated instructions. Yeah, everyone, to create what is that more engaging and collaborative learning. Uh, for the speakers, yeah, I will introduce myself. My name is Agustinus Haristiawan. Then later on, it will be continued by Mr. Daniel Ariwidiatama. Yeah, we are from Universitas Mercubuana Yogyakarta in Indonesia. Yeah, maybe later on, the Dean, Mr. Rilo, if you visit Yogyakarta, just contact us. Yeah, we will meet you
Thank
personally.
you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here, Universitas Mercubuana Yogyakarta, especially in English study program, we are accredited A, yeah, or in bahasa Indonesia we call a new criteria unggul, something like that. Yeah, we have campus 1, campus 3, and campus 2. Yeah, in the 3 locations.
Yeah.
I do hope that these short introductions can make us closer. Yeah, but we do not lengthen this one because we have another important thing, which is the materials about the learning. Mr. Rilo and all beloved students, we will share something from our university, and we create that nuance, yeah, whether in our internal institution and also in external with the other schools, yeah, in Jakarta and nearby area. We have this interesting learning, yeah. We have especially Mr. Daniel is the head of CTOL, yeah, Center of Technology Assisted Language. That's why we use a lot of technology and some current approach, yeah, in our learning, yeah, teaching and learning process. That's why we have technology as the basics. Then we train students in our university. We have a flexit, Mr. Rilo, as edupreneur. Yeah, we have
Yeah.
in our study program we have English prenerships. That's why our graduate profile is not only as a teacher, yeah, but also we can create a lot of opportunity related with English learning and teaching process, whether we have creating a course, material development, and so on. Now, that's why we are willing to share one of the important things, 5.0 eras, yes, society eras related with this technology that can be used in the learning and teaching process. We have so many, yeah, in our lab by Mr. Daniel. We use in video, in flat. All of you, maybe you can try this, yeah, in your learning. You can use quizzes, you can use Padlet, and puzzles, yeah. Those apps, this technology assisted language learning can support you later on, yeah, in a good what the approach, yeah. What is the approach? To know the approach, we need to know the problem. What's the problem in educational setting, yeah, surround us? related with students' motivations. Yeah, this one. Maybe one of you, if I can interact, yeah, with this. Okay, the connections. Kita iki nggo layar Pak Daniel yuk nggo wait for a minute. Okay, hello. Can you hear my voice again, Mr. Rilo? Can I continue? Yeah. Can I continue?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Prof. Yes, yes, can.
Okay.
We still have a problem with the
internet connection. Yeah. Okay. I do hope that
connected internet. Yes, yes, can. Yeah.
Okay. All beloved students there, if we face this reality from this visual image, yeah, why could this happen?
Yeah, yeah.
Why? What do you think? Why? What does it cross in your mind when you see the situation, yeah, in teaching and learning process? We need to admit that this is the reality, right? So class is boring, for example. Then the student get bored. Then we face the materials and the learning techniques doesn't accommodate diverse learning needs because one student have different characteristic, ability, preferences, motivation with other students, right? Then the class, for example, is teacher-centered, for example, yeah, Mr. Lu and all beloved students. Then maybe we have maybe, yeah, because there are a lot of possibility for this problem. Unclear goals, yeah, unclear goals for the learning objective. Then the learning materials are too difficult or too easy for somehow the process of the learning process of the specific student, for example. The learning media is not challenging. Now, all these factors are the samples, yeah. If we face the traditional learning approach, yeah. So we need to see it from the diversity. That's why we go to differentiated instruction. So what is differentiated instruction? This one, differentiated instructions involve teaching in a way okay, I will continue. Yeah, differentiated instructions. Yeah, involve the way that we need the different needs and interests of the student. Yeah, thing, course content, activities, and assessment. Yeah, this is what's that? In Indonesia, we have some figurative language for it, gayung bersambut. So we face the problems. We face the students that have different needs. Yeah, one students maybe have. I want to learn. I have the preference in speaking, and the other students, okay, I need to improve my learning. I prefer it to teach in the way of writing, for example, and so on. Yeah, the student using foreign course content. I like to have it visually. I like to have it orally. Now, for example, like that. I like to read. Now, those can be mediated through this, yeah, through differentiated learning instruction. This differentiated learning instruction, yeah, can be called by DI or DL. Distinctively emphasizes instructional method, yeah, to promote learning for students entering a course with different readiness, yeah, for interest in and ways of engaging with course of learning. Now, I will give you the urgency of this. Why is providing differentiated materials important? Now, we got some points, everyone, yeah. First, because with differentiated learning, yeah, we can facilitate, we can accommodate student skills. Nah, itu ya, the first one. Its students learn different ways, right? And differentiated materials allow us, yeah, allows the teacher for a range of ability to be supported. Nah, for example, some students excel in visual learning, then while others might benefit from auditory or hands-on experience, yeah. That's why by offering varied contents, students can engage the material in way that match their strength. That's one, Mr. Rilo and all beloved students, yeah. For example, in we see another field, for example, in science lessons. Can you imagine in science lesson, maybe you might offer for differentiated learning instruction, learning materials, you can over a video of photosynthesis, maybe for visual learners. How about the other one? Oh, in interactive experiment, yeah, for maybe for kinesthetic learners, and maybe a podcast, yeah, discussions for auditory learners. Now, this way, a student can absorb the content in the method that suits them. Oh, the auditory can match with this. The kinesthetic learners can match with that. The visual learners can match with that. Okay, because I cannot have the direct instruction, so sorry for kind of monotonous sharing, yeah. Maybe this is just one screen, yeah. Okay. Then the second one, what else? Increasing student motivation. Seperti ini, Mr. Rilo, can increase the student motivations, ya. When student feel that the learning materials is tailored to their abilities or their interest, ya, based on some research, they likely to be motivated to engage in the learning process, ya. For example, in our field, in English study program or in the literature, ya, for example, in the literature class, instead of giving every student the same reading materials, yeah, or the reading inputs, you could over a range of that varying complexity and genre. Okay, variety of genres. Now, students who prefer creative storytelling can read novels. Maybe the other one, while others might analyze non-fiction articles. Nah, this approach helps students, yeah, feel more connected and interested, yeah, in that subject. Then the other one, the third, for the benefit, yeah, we can have assessing students from multiple aspects. So the differentiated learning or differentiated instruction can assess students from multiple aspects, yeah, from many point of view. If we see traditional assessment, yeah, like the previous one, may not captures all the aspects and abilities, but by this differentiating both material and the assessment, yeah, teachers can evaluate, yeah, with a broader range of skills, yeah, such as critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, problem solving, and so on, yeah. After the language field, maybe we see the history field. In history class, instead of traditional exams, yeah, in as a teacher, yeah, you might offer several options. Maybe a written report, a multimedia presentation, for example, yeah, or creative reenactment. Nah, so this collaborative learning and also with differentiated assessment, yeah, allow the students, your students, or allow later on, yeah, as you are a teacher, yeah, your students to showcase their knowledge, skills in the way the best align with their strength. The other one can, because this is from range of diversity, yeah, the benefit can promote equity, can foster that critical thing, blah, 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 yeah, about foster growth mindset. then the other one can encourage collaboration, for example. Yeah, that's right. There are so many benefits, yeah, for this one.
What's the definition of?
Yeah, so what does it looks like? Yeah, everyone, as you can see, yeah, about the differentiated learning, like that what I have said, it determines students' weaknesses, like and dislike, yeah. So that's why it incorporates variety of strategies, yeah, to reach the diversity needs of the students. Now, the last one, maybe the teacher provide opportunities, yeah, for the range, yeah, everyone, yeah. It can be a whole class, yeah, all of the class, small groups, and maybe just a specific instruction, but all of them are focusing on student-centered. So we need to have an interactive teaching. Maybe during my presentation, do you want to ask something? You may, if you want. Ada yang mau nanya, bertanya, ya? Okay, if not, I will continue, ya, with differentiated learning interaction. Will create interactions in the class, ya. Interactions in the class can mix by teacher-students interaction, student-students interaction. Nah, tadi ya, the previous one I have said about the audio, visual, video, and then the hands-on demonstrations, ya, and expertise. Nah, I want to ask to one of you, ya. Halo, Mas Raylis, kelas kos. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Do you listen to my explanation? What is your learning preferences? Are you auditory? Are you visual learning? Are you kinesthetic learners? Which one? Anyone? What is your learning preferences in the class? Lebih suka apa? Mendengarkan? Melihat? Which one that you like the most? Maybe one of you can answer my questions. Cristavo Jose Caldas, can you answer my question? Yeah. What is your learning preferences? Auditory. What do you like to learn? With visual, with listening to your lecture, or with reading? Which one that you like most? For everyone, yeah. Okay. Which one that you like most? Reading or listens to, for example, Mr. Rilu, yeah, teach you with the presentation. Oh, I like this one. Or I like to read the materials on the book, on the screen. I like to listen to the YouTube. Which one that you like? Which one? Yang mana? Which one that do you like? Have you ever heard this?
The game of the student.
What is your learning preferences? Reading or listening? Which skills that you like the most? Okay, I will make it simpler. What skills that you like the most? Writing, speaking, listening, or reading? Which one? Nah, if you like reading, for example, yeah, if the students like reading, you can provide the instruction related with reading. So the different student can have different instruction, yeah, in specific things, but of course it is integrated in the class. Nah, if you mind about it as a teacher, yeah, you can create a good atmosphere, yeah, because what? Can you repeat once again? What is the benefit in differentiated materials, differentiated learning. It can, what is that? Accommodate the students' preferences, the students' ability, kan? Okay. Maybe one of you, can you answer my previous question? What do you like the most for the skills in learning? Reading, listening, writing, or which one? Or speaking, maybe. In learning English, what do you like the most? What skills do you like the most? What skills, ya? Skill apa yang teman-teman suka? Oke, previously, okay, I will stop sharing, ya. Let's create the discussions, ya. While waiting for Mr. Daniel later on will help you to implement, ya, the process of differentiated learning, differentiated instruction there. Nah, sekarang as the opening of your practice, later on you will have a practice, ya, with Mr. Daniel. What is your preferable skills? What do you love most? Watching something, listen to something, reading to something, or speak about something? Which one? Yang mana? Yang disukai. Yang paling disukai itu mendengarkan, melihat.
Ulang lagi Pak, maaf.
Oh iya,
Pak.
ya. Jadi saya pakai bahasa Indonesia bisa berarti.
Bisa.
Teman-teman belajar yang paling disukai dengan apa? Dengan skill bahasa Inggris yang apa? Berbicara, mendengarkan, membaca. Okay. What's your name? Relis.
Okay, my name is Relis.
Relis, thank you Relis for your answers, ya. Membaca, reading. So,
Yes.
Yeah, for example, we got the topics about narrative, ya, narrative materials. You need to tell story, membaca cerita, ya. Ask Relis because you like to read. Okay, Relis, read, baca, Relis, ya, misalnya gitu. For examples, ya. Okay, then another one. Okay. Another one. What is your name? The girls with the green.
This my friend.
Halo kakak.
Ya, namanya siapa?
His name is.
Halo, my name is Manuela.
Manuela, okay. Manuela, if Relis like to read, what do you like in learning? Kalau Relis suka membaca, kalau Reina berbicara, speaking, or listening?
Saya suka berbicara dan
baca, misalnya. Okay, for example, you like to speak, then the teacher, the lecturer will give you different way in the instruction. If I ask to Relix, kalau saya menyuruh Relix untuk membaca, saya akan berbeda. I will give different instructions, ya, to you. By, for example, okay, talk to your friends about your activity, about what you did to yesterday, karena tentang cerita misalnya. Recount text, ya. Oke, berbeda instruksinya, gitu ya, paham? Jadi it can be different, tapi untuk mencapai tujuan yang sama, ya, to achieve the same or the similar goals. Ya.
Terima kasih Pak.
Sama-sama. Nah sekarang sebelum Mr. Daniel datang, ada pertanyaan? Do you have any questions about differentiated learning? Do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Mungkin 1-2 pertanyaan?
Excuse me, Prof. This is from the faculty.
Okay, Mr.
I'm
Rilo.
gonna ask you permission.
Yeah, Mr. Rilo.
I will let will be to ask you, but right now I say sorry for you. I will not join it until finish because I still having some meeting with our top leader. That's why I will not join it
Okay,
until the end.
okay, yeah, okay,
Can
Mr.
you
Rilo.
allow me next, Prof?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Rilo, the Dean. Yeah, send my grand warm rewards to the rector and others. Yeah, the structural things. Thank you. Ya. Oke,
Halo?
ya, boleh. Terima kasih, Mr. Rilo. Kalau ingin meninggalkan, if you want to leave the Zooms because you have another meetings with top leaders, ya. Thank you very much. Nah, we have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left ya, 5 menit lagi sebelum Mr. Daniel datang mungkin sambil menunggu. Ada pertanyaan tentang differentiated learning? Do you have any questions about differentiated learning?
No question.
Okay. Yeah. How many students in your class? Can I know?
21.
21. 21. Yeah. Okay. That's great. I do hope you learn about differentiated learning more with Mr. Daniels. Yeah. All of you, do you have a mobile phone with you? Because Mr. Daniel will ask you to use mobile phone after this implement. Yeah. So you need to have internet connection and then you need to install some apps. Yeah. Okay. I will leave this Zoom first. Then you can continue with Mr. Daniel ya. Please wait Mr. Daniel, oke? Okay? Mohon ditunggu Mr. Daniel sedang dalam perjalanan ya. Oke? Okay? Kita foto bersama.
Okay.
Can you turn on your camera? Bisa membuka videonya seperti Januario, thank you. You open the cam. Ya, Christopher, Raylis, this one. Can you open your cam? Okay, I will take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Smile, please. Okay, thank you very much. I will leave the Zoom. You can continue with Mr. Daniel. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you so much.